Hello viewers, this is Not Too Fast here. In today's video I will be doing an oil change on this 2019 Honda Odyssey. This will be the first oil change on this vehicle. So let's get started. I'll put the van on ramps. Release the hood. Open the hood. There's a latch underneath that you need to push up and to the right. Here's a latch. Now if the engine is cold, I recommend you run it for a couple of minutes. Warm up the motor oil that's in the engine, and that'll help drain all the old oil out. If you look on the oil cap, it tells you this vehicle uses 0W20 oil. Here's what you'll need for this oil change. This is 5 quart of Mobil 1 0W20 full synthetic oil. And here's the oil filter that I'll be using on this vehicle. The part number is 15400-PLM-A02. Now according to the owner's manual, this Honda Odyssey requires 5.7 quart of motor oil if you're replacing the oil filter. So you can either pick up 2 of the 5 quart jug or get the 5 quart jug and then get an additional 1 quart of oil. Now 1 quart of the Mobil 1 0W20 is about $11. So it might be better to get 2 5 quart jugs and save the extra oil for the next oil change. Here's my drain pan. Place this underneath the vehicle. Let's go underneath the car and I'll show you where the drain bolt is. Here's the oil pan and it's marked engine oil. At the end of the pan, there's a 17mm bolt you need to remove. That's a drain bolt. Using a 17mm wrench, remove the drain bolts. Once all the oil is drained, clean the area and reinstall the drain bolts. Looking at the drain bolt, you see there's a washer right here. Now if you find yours is deformed or needs replacement, go to your dealer and pick up some new washers, like these one right here. Go ahead and tighten this. Now if you want to know the torque spec, it's 29 foot-pounds. Using a filter wrench of your choice, we'll go ahead and remove the oil filter. The oil filter is located on the passenger side behind the wheel. So let's go underneath, show you where it is. It's right here. Now to make access to the oil filter a little easier, I'm going to remove this plastic push pin that's holding the splash shield. And there's a Phillips screw that I'll need to remove. Here I have the new filter on the right side, the old one's on the left side. Now if you're not familiar with installing oil filter, there are instructions on the side right here. Oil gasket lightly, clean the seating area, screw until gasket make contact, and then torque to 10 to 14 Newton meter or 3/4 turn with tool, and then start engine and check for leaks. Before installation, what you want to do is get some new motor oil and coat this gasket and the threading inside here. After all the oil is drained, clean the area. This is also a good time to clean the surface underneath where all the oil dripped. Also make sure the old gasket is not stuck on the surface. Now install the new filter. So it just made contact. Now turn it 3/4 turn. And that's it. Now we install the spot shield. Remove the oil cap. Put your funnel here. Start with putting in 5 quart of oil. With the engine needing 5.7 quart of oil when you do an oil change, this is a second jug of 5 quart oil. I've gone ahead and topped it off a little bit more, but you definitely don't want to overfill it. So I'm going to start the car up and run it for a few minutes and check for leaks. This is also a good time to take the car off the ramps. After you run the engine for a couple of minutes, go underneath and take a look. Make sure there are no leaks anywhere. Let's check the oil level. Pull out your dipstick. Clean it. Put it back in. Take it out. And let's take a look. As you can see, it's a bit on the low side right now. So we'll put in a bit more oil. Let's have a look at the level. As you can see, it's just below the high mark. That's good. First, start the car up. Looking at the LCD screen on the instrument panel, press a home button. This menu will come up. Scroll down until you get to maintenance. Press enter. Scroll down to oil life. Press enter. On this vehicle, the oil life is 30% and the maintenance code is A1. A is for oil change and 1 is for tire rotation. The maintenance information can be found in the owner's manual. Now you can specify which item you want to reset, either A, or 1, or both. Press and hold the enter button for 10 seconds. Scroll down. You can reset all due items, or you can reset item A. Now if your maintenance minder shows a B service, then this menu will have item B only. On this vehicle, I'll reset item A for oil change. Press enter key. Reset completed. Now oil life shows 100%. When you're done, press the back button and you can go back to your previous menu. Now you can shut off the engine. For those of you who have a 2018 and newer Honda Odyssey, I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you want to do your own oil change with the right tools, this job is not difficult at all. If you're interested in getting some of the tools I used in this video, check out the links below. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and don't forget to click on the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.